Numbers are part of everything we do in daily life, from shopping and cooking to building and using technology. Understanding how different types of numbers work helps you solve real problems with confidence. In this unit, you will explore the number system and learn how rational and irrational numbers show up in everyday situations. We begin with the most basic groups of numbers that you use all the time. These sets help you understand how the entire number system is organized. Natural numbers. Counting numbers that start at 1, such as 1, 2, 3, and so on. Whole numbers. All of the natural numbers plus 0. Integers. All of the whole numbers and their opposites, such as negative numbers and positive numbers. Real numbers. All numbers that can be placed on a number line. This group includes both rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers can be written as fractions. These numbers appear often in money, measurements, and everyday comparisons. Rational number. A number that can be written as a fraction using integers, such as 3 over 4 or negative 2 over 5. Fractions. A way to show part of a whole using a top number, called the numerator, and a bottom number, called the denominator. Ratio. A comparison of two amounts that shows how much one thing there is compared to another. Terminating decimal. A decimal that ends, such as 25 hundredths. Repeating decimal. A decimal in which one or more digits repeat again and again forever, such as 0.3 repeating. Non-terminating decimal. A decimal that goes on without ending. It may repeat or it may not. Some decimals continue forever without repeating any pattern. These numbers cannot be written as simple fractions. Irrational number. A number that cannot be written as a fraction. Its decimal goes on forever without repeating, such as the square root of 2 or the number pi. Non-repeating decimal. A decimal that continues forever with no pattern. All non-repeating decimals are irrational. Understanding factors helps you break numbers into smaller parts. This is useful for simplifying fractions and working with roots. Factor. A number you multiply with another number to get a product. For example, 2 and 3 are factors of 6. Prime number. A number greater than 1 that has only two factors, 1 and itself. 5 is an example of a prime number. Composite number. A number greater than 1 that has more than two factors. 9 is an example of a composite number. Powers and roots are shortcuts for repeated multiplication and the opposite of repeated multiplication. You use these ideas in geometry, science, and many real-world calculations. Operation. A mathematical action such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Power. A way to show repeated multiplication using a base and an exponent, such as 3 to the power of 2. Square. A number multiplied by itself, such as 5 times 5 equals 25. Perfect squares. Numbers made by squaring whole numbers, such as 1, 4, 9, and 16. Root. A number that produces the original number when multiplied by itself a certain number of times. Square root. A number that, when multiplied by itself, equals the original number. For example, the square root of 25 is positive or negative 5. Cube root. A number that, when multiplied by itself 3 times, equals the original number. The cube root of 27 is 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Radical sign. The symbol used to show a root. It looks like a check mark with a line across the top. Radicand. The number inside the radical sign. In the square root of 5, 5 is the radicand. Index. The small number that tells you which root you are taking, such as 3 for a cube root.